So we're back at the clutch. I took this apart. Here the bolt. Yep. This one, just take it out, smack it here with a hammer. It will come out eventually. Then you can move this a bit away so we can get the axle out. Axles are over there. Then the catalytic converter, took it out. 3 little bolts. Bam! Those 3 rusty bolts need to come out. Then the mount here for the exhaust. Then you can access some bolts. One of this here, over here, for the transmission to come out. Already took it apart a bit. I couldn't film it all the way. Then we have to disconnect the torsion bar for the shifter and the shifter linkage, of course, just on top of that. Other side, same thing. Over here you don't have to disconnect the suspension arms to remove the axle. You have enough room, so just untie it. Bam, same procedure. It comes out. Then the mounts over here, they were there, as you can see. First remove socket 15, remove the holder. Here untighten these two 213s. Then they can be free. You can put the jack on their transmission and you can lift it and see if it's moving here and there. It should be nicely balanced. Then you can remove all the hex keys. It's number 8, both sides, and eventually check all the wires, like over there, the connectors. Remove them all, and then you wiggle it out, and you will find that it comes out, but it hangs a little bit. What is the problem? As you can see over there, come on, light, stay here. The tube coming from the coolant, the thing is, the coolant housing here. Tube that comes out of it blocks the transmission a bit, so you have to push it up and maybe put some silicone grease on there so it can slide. It can slide a bit, and then flip, it will come out. If you move the shifter linkage to this side, it will come out pretty good. Now we're gonna do that. Drop the transmission, and I'll show you what I'm gonna do with the clutch and some seals perhaps on the transmission, and the port numbers and stuff. And then it's almost done. I mean, the reversal, I'm not gonna film that because it's just a bit stupid, isn't it? Alright, see you next one.